I think we're going to make 3 or 4 or 5 times our money in the next 10 years in Tesla. I think
Again, on top of
here.
Now, Tesla had $800 a few days ago, and with Q2 out of the way, is it a buy or is it a sell? Well, the next big event for Tesla is their annual stockholder meeting, which is being held in their Austin, Texas Gigafactory, where there's going to be a vote for their 3-for-1 stock split, and this will also be Tesla's second stock split in just 2 years. So in today's video, you will see how to take advantage of the Tesla stock split to maximize your gains. You see, last time Tesla did a stock split, Tesla stock went up 78%, but we know there are different factors affecting the market now. We have inflation, fears of recession, so are we going to see the same similar price increase in Tesla's price? Now, all I ask in return is a like on this video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of the best Tesla news coming out in the near future. Alright, so by now, I'm sure that most of us understand how a stock split works. But if you're still unaware, a stock split happens when a company chooses to increase the number of its outstanding shares to boost the stock's liquidity, usually by a factor of 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, and in Tesla's case, a 3-to-1. And Tesla's only stock split took effect on August 31st, 2020, which was a 5-to-1 stock split. Now, the stock was trading at a pre-split adjusted price of $2,213, while the stock closed on August 31st, 2020 at $498. Now, Tesla stock is now trading at above $780 per share, almost at around $800. So if they were to do a 3-for-1 stock split right now, we would have a $260 per share at $780 and $266 per share at $800. And that's of course if they were to do the stock split right now, or the stock just moves sideways until this happens. But I don't believe that's gonna be the case. And let me show you why. Now, the amount of potential upside in Tesla stock is astronomical, and I can see them doing more stock splits in the coming years. And remember that no matter what, this will not affect you as a Tesla shareholder, since your ownership within the company will remain exactly the same before and after the split. And although the number of shares outstanding increases by a certain ratio, the share price will also decrease by that same ratio, meaning that the total value of the company will not change. And in a previous video, I went over why I believe there are 3 key reasons why Tesla wanted to do a stock split. And the first reason is because of their employee share purchase program. Now, currently Tesla awards its employees stock options as payments, but it also allows every employee in the company to take advantage of that program, also known as ESPP, or just Employee Stock Purchase Plan, which grants Tesla employees a 15% discount on the stock. But basically, all that you need to know is that if the shares are too expensive, most of Tesla employees are not gonna be able to get involved in that program, and that's not what Tesla wants. So if you think about it, according to multiple sources and people that work there, the average or the median pay at Tesla is about $60,000 per year, and on a bi-weekly basis, this paycheck comes to $2,500 before tax. So after tax and after living expenses and after everything else that needs to be taken off, Tesla employees might not even be able to afford one share right now if it's worth $700 or $800. So the stock split effectively increases demand for Tesla shares at the employee level. Now, the second reason I believe Tesla is splitting their stock is because it makes shares more accessible for people wanting to invest in the company. You see, splitting the stock effectively increases the demand for Tesla shares across the board, whether it is for retail investors or for options traders. And just to show you guys that this is a fact, Tesla stock jumped over 12% on August 31st, 2020, when their 5-to-1 stock split took place. The entire stock market knew about their stock split for several weeks in advance, but it still rose on the day of because of the increased demand for the lower priced shares and just everyone catching FOMO. So on the retail side, investors like you and I don't have millions of dollars of cash to be able to deploy into stocks, and this allows you and I to easily average into Tesla stock over time if the share price is lower. And finally, I believe that Tesla is splitting their stock because management believes there is a significant upside in Tesla stock over the coming months and years. I mean, just think about it for a minute. If Tesla management thought that the stock price might fall over the near term or the next few years, then there would be absolutely no need for the stocks to split. Therefore, I believe that this stock split is an extremely bullish signal from Tesla management that they think the stock price is going to do very well over the near term and long term. And as I've stated in many of my Tesla videos already, Tesla has brand new gigafactories in 2022, one in Berlin, Germany, and Austin, Texas. And these two new gigafactories will allow Tesla to more than double their current production capacity over the coming years, as well as reduce their cost per vehicle delivered since they are now localized in Europe. And they have some of the best and newest technologies in these two new factories. They will also be showing a prototype of their Tesla bot this year, and we still have the coming of the Cybertruck and Roadster. Furthermore, with Tesla's demand spiking to levels they've never seen before, along with all the recent price hikes and massive increase in demand, these factors are going to lead to an insane revenue and profits for Tesla in 2022 and beyond. I mean, despite everything that happened in 2022, Tesla was still able to report a massive increase in production capacity all across its factories, closing in on a 2 million vehicle annual production capacity. They also achieved an operating margin among the highest in the industry with 14.6% and positive free cash flow of $621 million, and ended the quarter with the highest vehicle production month in history. And yes, they sold 75% of their Bitcoin, but it was needed in order to get liquidity due to the COVID shutdown in China. So had Tesla not sold any Bitcoin, Tesla's cash would have been negative. And it would have not looked good at all during their Q2 earnings. I mean, it would have looked really bad. So that's why they did what they did, and we saw an upside in the stock because of that. But beyond that, in my opinion, there are tons of bullish catalysts on the horizon for Tesla over the near term and long term. So the real question is, should you buy Tesla stock before or after the upcoming stock split? Well, if you've been following me for a while now, you probably already know what I would do. And that would be to buy Tesla stock before the stock split first. And as I showed you guys before, Tesla stock rose over 12% on the day the stock split happened on August 31st, 2020, which showed that the increased demand for Tesla shares does play a key role in the stock price appreciation, at least in the shorter term. Also, from the date that Tesla's 5-to-1 stock split was announced in 2020 to the day that it took place, Tesla stock rose 78% over a period of a few weeks, which means that this could potentially happen again for the stock split. But now I definitely would not expect a 78% move in the stock price leading up to the stock split, but I could definitely see an increase in the share price. Another reason of why I believe that we could see a price increase in Tesla is that because I believe that Tesla stock is still undervalued at the current levels. I would not be surprised if we see Tesla stock trading at around $1,000 per share at the end of 2022. But anyways, if Tesla stock was to hit $1,000 per share by year end, I just want to emphasize that this is my own opinion and based on my own conviction in the stock. So if you do want to buy Tesla stock, please do your own research and don't just rely on me for your investment decisions. But I am super excited about the upcoming stock split. It was only inevitable. So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you going to be buying Tesla stock before or after the stock split? I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you have not done so already. And be sure to grab up to 6 free stocks by using my links down on the pinned comments and description down below. And you can also get up to $500 worth of free cryptocurrency by using those links as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys here on Monday. Until next time.